Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Kasturi Shekhar Sir Classes for Mathematics and Statistics. In this video, I am explaining the concept of demand forecasting using a regression analysis. One more time I am repeating this point. In this video, I am explaining how regression analysis are used in forecasting. Before entering into the actual problem solving technique, let us see what is a regression analysis. Basically, regression analysis is a statistical tool which is used for estimation. And if you see the definition of this, regression analysis is a mathematical way of finding a relationship between two variables and estimating the value of one variable for a given value of other variable. In simple regression analysis, we are considering two variables only. That is why it is written as finding out the relationship between two variables and estimating the value of one variable for a given value of other variable. Let us see. In regression analysis, there are two variables. The variable whose value is known is called an independent variable, and the variable whose value is unknown is called a dependent variable. This is most important point in regression analysis. Let us see a numerical example to explain the meaning of this. An investigation into the demand for color TV sets in 5 cities has resulted the following data. Fit a regression line of y on x and estimate the demand for color TV sets for two cities with a population of 10 lakhs and 20 lakhs. Let us see the question, sir. What is given? Population of a city is known. That is given in the question. Again I am repeating this point. Population of a city is given. In one city, population is 10 lakhs. Then what will be the demand for color TV sets in that city? What does it mean actually? There are two variables we have in this question. One is population. I am denoting this with variable x. Demand for color TV sets, I am representing this with variable y. Clear? Out of the two variables we have, one variable value is given, that is 10 lakhs. Corresponding to this value, you have to estimate the value for y. Corresponding to the value of x is equal to 10 lakhs, we have to estimate the value for the variable y. This is the meaning of what this statement stands for. In regression analysis, there are two variables. The variable whose value is known is called an independent variable. So in our question, population of a city is known, so it is treated as an independent variable. And with that value, what you are doing? You are estimating the value of another variable. So the variable whose value you are estimating is called a dependent variable. So in my question, population of a city is an independent variable. Demand for color TV sets is a dependent variable. Now let's go to the question. What these numerical numbers will represent? These are the observed values. These are the observed values. What does it mean actually? When a city has a population of 5 lakhs, we observed demand for color TV sets as 9,000. Again I am repeating this point. When population of a city is 5 lakhs, demand for color TV sets is 9,000. Similarly, for a population of 7 lakhs in a city, the demand for color television sets is 13,000. This way, the numerical numbers are interpreted. Once what is given in the question is clear, then we can prepare the answer for the given question. What is required for us? You have to fit a regression line of y on x. So let us see this. Fit a regression line of y on x. Fit a regression line of y on x. The standard form of this line is y is equal to a plus bx. The standard form of this line is y is equal to a plus bx. Clear? Now what is the advantage we have, or when will I use this line? This line is used to estimate, this line is used to estimate the value of the variable y for a given value of x. That is the advantage we have with this line. Look at this once again. The standard form of regression line of y on x is y is equal to a plus bx and this line is used to estimate the value of the variable y for a given value of x. Okay, now I want the values of a and b here. A and b values are obtained by solving summation of y is equal to na plus b into summation of x, summation of xy is equal to a into summation of x plus b into summation of x square. By substituting the values of x total, y total, xy total and x square total, we'll get the values of a and b, and two linear equations in a and b are obtained. Again, let me repeat this point. Here, by substituting x total, y total, x square total and xy total, two linear equations in a and b are obtained. By solving these two linear equations, a, b values are obtained. So let me write the question once again. Here this is x, population of a city. Y is demand for the color television sets x square xy. X values are 5. See the question. X values are given 5, 7, 8, 11, 14. X values are 5, 7, 8, 11, 14. Y values are also given 9, 13, 11. 9, 13, 11, 15 and 19. This way X values and Y values are written. Get the total of this X values, X total and Y total. This is 5 plus 7 plus 8 plus 11 plus 14. Its total is 45. Similarly, Y total also you'll get 9 plus 13, 11, 15, 19. This is 67. X total is obtained, Y total is obtained. Now let us see X square 25, 49, 8 8s are 64, 121, 196. Let me get the total of this also. 25, 49, 64, 121, 196. This is 455. Now let us take XY values. XY values. 9 into 5 into 9 is 45. 7 into 13. 7 into 13, 91. 8 into 11, 88. 11 into 15, 165. 14 into 19, 266. Let me get the total of this. 266 plus 165, 88, 91 plus 45. This is 655. This way X total, Y total, X square total, XY total are obtained. Now let us see. Y total is equal to NA 67 is equal to NA 5 cities 5A plus B into X total. B into X total is 45. This is 45 into B, equation number 1. Similarly, XY total 655 is equal to A into X total 45 into A plus B into X square total 455 into B, equation number 2. 455 into B, equation number 2. This way a linear equation. I have here another linear equation here. It means two linear equations in A and B are obtained. Now what will I do here? One variable let me eliminate from the picture. I'll eliminate A from the picture. Equation number 1 multiplied with 9. 9 into 5 is 45. So this is 67 into 9, 603. 5 into 9 is 45A. 45 into 9. This is 405 into B. Equation number 2, as it is I am writing 655 is equal to 45 into A plus 455 into B. Let me subtract one from the other. Minus 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 cancel. So this is 603 minus 655 minus 52 is equal to 405 minus 455 minus 50 into B. Minus you can cancel on both the sides. B is equal to 52 divided by 50. 52 divided by 50. It is 1.04. B value is obtained as 1.04. After getting the value of B, you can substitute it either in equation number 1 or in equation number 2. So let us see. Put B is equal to 1.04 in 1. In equation number 1 I am substituting. That is 67 is equal to 5A plus 45 into B. This is my equation number 1. So this 5A as it is. 45 into B value 1.04. So it is 1.04 into 45. This is equal to 46.8. So bring this value to this side. From the right hand side I am shifting this one to left hand side. This positive value will become a negative value, is equal to 5A. So 46.8 I have to subtract from 67. 67 minus 46.8 is equal to 20.2 is equal to 5A. A is equal to 20.2 divided by 5. This is equal to 4.04. A value is obtained as 4.04. B value is obtained as 1.04. These are the two values we need to get a regression line of y on x. These two values are obtained. Now let me substitute these values in the required equation. What is my regression line of y on x? Regression line of y on x is y is equal to a plus bx. Now a is equal to what value is obtained for a? A is equal to 4.04. B is equal to 1.04. A is equal to 4.04, B is equal to 1.04. So 4.04 plus 1.04 into x. This is the required regression line of y on x. From the observed values, a line equation is fitted. Means a line equation is calculated. This line is used for calculations. Look at this second part of the question. When x is equal to 10, y is equal to question mark. When x is equal to 10, y is equal to question mark. Substitute x is equal to 10 in the equation which is obtained here. That is equation number 3. Y is equal to 4.04 plus 1.04 into 10. 4.04 plus 10.4. 14.44. Let me verify this. 4.04 plus 10.4. 14.44. What is this value y will represent, sir? Your estimated demand. This value of y will represent your estimated demand for color television sets. And y value is in thousands. So estimated demand is 14.44 into 1000 is equal to 14,440 color TV sets. So this way regression analysis is used for prediction. Look at this point once again. What is given in the question? A city has a population of 10 lakhs. A city has a population of 10 lakhs. What will be the estimated demand? Not actual demand. Remember this point. It is an estimated demand. In that city, the company is estimating that there will be a demand of 14,440 color TV sets. Clear, sir? Now let us see the next part. When x is equal to 20, y is equal to question mark. Substitute here. Y is equal to 4.04 plus 1.04 into 20. So it is 1.04 into 20, 20.8. To this I am adding 4.4. 4.04 add. You'll get 24.84. Once again, it should be multiplied with 1000 because demand is expressed in thousands. So estimated demand is equal to 24.84 into 1000. 24,840 color TV sets. This is the expected demand. For this expected demand, the company will start production. This is required for manufacturing the CVs because it must know how many color TV picture tubes are required and other accessories are required. Is it clear, sir? This way regression analysis is used. Regression analysis is used for estimating the demand for a product in demand forecasting concept. Okay. So that's all in this video. Very soon I'll come with another video. Thank you.